Local news for Friday the 20th of July. The inaugural Wananapa Awards will take place later this year. However, applications or nominations close at 5 p.m. today. Businesses can nominate themselves or private individuals in one of 4 categories, including Innovation, Emerging, Vibrant and Team Awards. Dozens of entries have so far been received. Internationally acclaimed Scottish author Sean Bythell will be guest at the Featherston Booktown event on Monday, August the 27th. The second-hand and rare bookseller and celebrated author of Diary of a Bookseller will be in the region, and aside from recounting tales from his diary, Sean will also be able to discuss the experiences of Wigtown as a booktown in a discussion with Sue Ryan of Mr Feathersden, as well as signed copies of his book. And in sport, a big weekend for club rugby as semi-finals hit the region. In the Premier Grade, Gladstone will be favourites over Martinborough, and likewise Carterton, who host Greytown. In the senior reserves, Tuhurangi, who are favourites to win the competition, will play Puketoi, and Pioneer will host Carterton.